Hello everyone. In this video, we will see how to subtract a 2-digit number from another 2-digit number. We will apply the same concepts like match and mismatch and complements, and we will see how to do the subtraction now. Let's see the example. 56 minus 21. So the first task is to identify whether it's a match or a mismatch combination. So taking the digits one by one, and we are going to move from left to right. So taking the first pair, which is 5 minus 2, it is a match combination. Similarly, the second pair is also a match combination. So the subtraction is simple. It is the usual way and it will be carried out from left to right. So the answer is 5 minus 2, 3 and 6 minus 1, 5. The same concept we will apply for how many other digits are there. Suppose it's a big number like this. So we will move from left to right. But you can see that each pair is a match combination. 9 and 6, 8 and 1, 1 and 0, 9 and 5, all these are match combinations. 6 and 6, 6 and 6 is also a match combination because we will get the answer easily as 0. So 6 minus 6, if both the numbers are same, even then it can be called a match combination. And 2 minus 1, all these are match combinations. So the answer is simple. Just move from left to right. 9 minus 6, 3, 8 minus 1, 7, 1 minus 0, 1, 9 minus 5, 4, 6 minus 6, 0 and 2 minus 1, 1. This is our answer. So let's see this example. 58 minus 29. We are going to move from left to right. So the first pair we see is 5 minus 2. This is a match combination. But the second pair, 8 minus 9, is a mismatch combination. Let's see how to do it. So coming to the first pair, 5 minus 2. 5 minus 2, we know the answer is 3. Don't write 3 here, just keep 3 in mind. Just keep 3 in mind. And move to the next pair. Next pair is 8 minus 9. Since this is a mismatch combination, we are going to subtract a 1 from this 3. So 3 minus 1 will become 2. And then we move to the next pair. So like in the previous video I discussed, the same concept. Since we cannot do 8 minus 9, we will make use of complements. So the complement of the second digit we have to find. What is the complement of 9? Complement of 9 is 1. So we write 1 here first and then we add this 1 to the first digit. 1 plus 8. 1 plus 8, which is 9. The answer is 29. Let's see another example. 75 minus 47. So as we move from left to right, the first pair we see is 7 minus 4. It's a match combination. So before writing the answer here, first you have to keep it in mind. 7 minus 4 is 3. Just keep 3 in mind and observe the next pair. Next pair, 5 minus 7. It is a mismatch combination because the first number is less than the second number. Since this is a mismatch combination, we have to subtract a 1 from 3. So 3 will become 2 here. Then we move to the next pair. 5 minus 7. Since we cannot do 5 minus 7 as it is a mismatch combination, we make use of complements. We have to find the complement of the second number, the second digit. Complement of 7 is 3. And this 3 we will add to the first digit, like this. So 5 plus 3 becomes 8, and our answer is 8. All these calculations, these have to be done mentally. Since I have to explain it to you, I am writing so many steps. But in actual practice, then you have to do it very fast. Don't write any of these steps. I will show you how to do it without writing any steps now. Suppose the question is 53 minus 18. The first pair we say is 5 minus 1. That is a match combination. 5 minus 1 we know it is 4. 4 is in your mind. But before writing 4 here, you observe the next pair, which is 3 minus 8. Since 3 minus 8 is a mismatch combination, we are not going to write 4 directly here. We will subtract 1 from 4. So 4 becomes 3. In order to find the difference of 3 minus 8, we have to use the complements because it's a mismatch. So the complement of 8 is 2. So this 2 you are going to add with the first digit 3. So 2 plus 3 is 5. The answer is 35. In practice, when you are able to get the complements very fast, subtraction becomes very, very fast. I hope this is very thorough for you. In the next video, we will see how to do a 3-digit subtraction. Thank you. Bye for now.